Hey guys, welcome back to Talent Talk Show. Alright, so in today's episode, blah blah blah. Okay, so what just I did, I wanted to show you that it feels very distracting. It feels like not connected when I'm talking to you. So same thing in today's episode, we're gonna talk about the uses of phone and the good manners as in when we use our phone, like good etiquettes of phone using while you are in conversations with your friends, colleagues, or you somewhere in a meeting or events. All right. So welcome back to the Talent Talk Show, where we talk about talents, good news, views, informations for our self to understand and grow. All right, personally and professionally. All right, as I said in today's episode, we're going to talk about the good etiquettes of phone using during events, on a lunch break, on a meetings, in a workshops, on a gatherings, or in some special events or certain moments. All right, so let's go one by one what we need to be aware of using our phone during that particular moments. Number one, limit phone uses on the table of lunch, dinner, or out for some gatherings. No phone during meals. Keep your phone away when you dining with your friends or other colleagues. It shows the respect for them and the occasion, isn't it? So constant phone checking, it can make others feel undervalued. Yes, you can put your phone, since we all carry phone with us, put the phone on a silence mode or vibration mode, so that when you get a call or messages, that notification should not disturb others while they are engaged in the conversation. Alright. Number two, greet people without checking your phone. So literally look up and say good morning, good afternoon, how are you all today? So that builds the connection that you are literally greeting them. So when you greet people like this, it builds the connection between you and your audience. They feel connected, not they feel the presence acknowledged of their presence. Also, no phone calls while you are walking into a room. If you are walking into a room or towards somebody, try to avoid scrolling your phone, looking at the screen, and approaching to the persons. It creates the barrier between you and the person in front of you, others. So making it hard to engage in a meaningful social interactions. Number 3 point, good etiquettes. Engage fully in conversation. Avoid texting or messaging while you are in a conversations with your friends or families or anyone in front of you are talking to. Yeah, avoid that time during messaging and all, because it is actually tempting to text or scroll social media feeds, but this actually sends out the message to the persons in front of you is a less important or undervalued. So that should not be, that message should not reach to that person that you are undervaluing that person. Give your undivided attention. It's basically while you are talking to somebody on a content, so will be fully focused on the conversations, and then try to avoid looking at the phone and glancing at this phone screen. So being fully present and talking to the person, actually it literally creates the meaningful connections and sends out there meaningful, it builds a good relationship. Number 4, good etiquette manners. It is excuse yourself while there is an urgent call comes. Since we all carry phone, but you are expecting an urgent call come, so you need to take that call. So politely, in a professional way, excuse yourself, take the phone, move out from the place, take the call, attend, and come back to the table or the event immediately in a short period of time. Because if you are there going out and staying for half an hour and coming back, by the time this person what they started talking to or you where you were left, you will be blanked, you will be lost in the conversation. So not to do that one, just take the call, come back and start from where you left, continue your conversation. Number 5, good etiquette of using mobile phone. Put the phone away during important meetings or moments. So during presentation, say for example you are presenting something or celebration, celebration gonna happen. So whether it is someone is giving a speech or a moment of celebration, it is very rude to be on your phone. If you are using on phone and people are there waiting for your speech, it's very rude. So be fully present and enjoy the moment. Number 6, no phone at greetings or farewell. As I said again, be mindful during greetings and goodbyes. When you are meeting and saying goodbye to somebody, don't be on your phone. It shows the respect and the recognitions of their presence and your presence. Number 7, etiquette. For us, it is digital detox. What does it mean? Basically, practice time away from the phone, digital. Because be mindful of your surrounding. Try to designate certain times of the day where you don't be on the phone. It literally, you be aware of the things around you. So that's mindful basically practice, and the things around you, be mindful about them. So that's called digital detox. Point number 8, to be mindful about the phone, which is your time of messaging and tone of your message. Sometimes it is normal in the world of digital, we are tempted to communicate in online everything, but trust me, if you personally go to somebody and say thank you, that makes more sense than just sending a message on the WhatsApp or an online thank you. Try to be control about the situation. Be control over the situation. It is not like always we are depending. So in person, sometimes you need to feel that moment that I need to go personally and say thank you or greet somebody, congratulations. So be mindful of that. We all be tempted to rely overly on digital. So these are the 8 etiquettes I thought of sharing with you guys. We all come across such situations where we feel that something went wrong. So now this is where I wanted to share with you guys that in this platform we're going to talk about various information, news, views, where we grow personally, professionally. Alright, see you to the next video. I'm gonna bring something interesting where we learn a lot. We will keep sharing information. See you to the next video.